Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So if you got a list of month numbers in Google Sheets and want to turn them into names, like changing one to January, to February and so on, in this quick tutorial I'll show you two super easy methods to do it automatically. So the first method, you can just use the tax functions. It is a pretty simple formula. You can just here, for example, I'm going to change it in here. Now you can just type this formula right here. You can go with tax like this, and then you can go with date, and then here write the year, for example 2025, and the month, choose this one in here, select the cell 1, then comma, and choose the format. So in here I'm going to write month. You can just write it like this and close the functions, and just like that you'll get the full month name, just like this. If you only want the short version, you can change the last one in here into only 3 letters, so it will go like this. And the second method, you can use choose functions, so it's manual mapping options. So if you prefer to manually control the month names, for example if you want to use abbreviations in your language, you can use the choose functions. So for example in here you can just, I'm going to go with this and just write choose, and then this one right here, then you can just write the choose. You can write one by one like this, then you can just hit on enter. So this is the result. So if this video helped you, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorials. Bye.